seeing partly mostly cloudy skies on our regional west sky cam in Scottsbluff. It's a lot colder than it has been. No more 60s and 70s on the map as temperatures have fallen to unseasonably cool levels after reaching a high of 31 degrees today so far at Scottsbluff. We have fallen to 25 degrees. That wind north around 18 to 28 miles per hour. So we got that breezy northerly wind making it feel even worse as the cool air does filter in from the northerly flow. Now, we do have temperatures out there into the mid-20s at Scottsbluff, Torrington, a little warmer off to the south of Scottsbluff, upper 20s at Harrisburg, Bridgeport, Kimball at 27, 31 at Sydney, Oshkosh holding at 38, but only teens to lower 20s into the northern panhandle. There's your wind mainly from a northerly, maybe a little bit of a north-northeasterly direction with the cloud cover out there, that easterly flow producing a little bit of moisture, but wind speeds right now around 15 to 25 miles per hour. And we do have one weather alert. This is in effect for portions of Sheridan and Garden County, has just been included in this winter weather advisory. It is in effect until tomorrow at 11 a.m. for a system that is going to make its way through and give us the possibility of some wintry precipitation in these areas. Just watch out on the rural roads if you're traveling out in that direction. Now, satellite loop showing that we're seeing the first snowflakes from this system into areas just off to the west of Laramie, but we are staying mainly dry. This is, for the most part, going to miss us. We have just a few clouds from Scottsbluff points off to the south and east, off to the north and west, mainly cloudy skies. Here's what that system looks like on the national map. The high pressure that gave us the really warm air working its way away from us got this low that is just about to skirt our viewing area. You already see the snow over the Rockies because of it, and the cold air has started to filter in. Now, this low will continue to make its way off to the north and off to the east, not really giving us a lot, but producing, say, around 3 to 9 inches in the higher elevations west of Laramie and Denver. But this is going to be a northern plains event. It's going to move off to the north and east, tap into the flow of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and then deposit it back on the cool side as snow, as some areas in central and eastern North Dakota could pick up 9 to even as high as 15 inches between Bismarck and Jamestown. For us, if you live near the South Dakota border, you could have just a little bit of snow shower activity. If you live west of Laramie, same thing, north of Wheatland, but it looks like we are definitely not going to get a lot of snow from this event. So going through the evening, there's your snowfall along the South Dakota border, but that is basically it. We still have that strong northerly flow. As soon as we start to clear out tomorrow morning, we fall back into the mid to upper teens in some areas. But for the day tomorrow, we keep a very strong northerly wind, high temperatures only into the lower 30s, and the really cool air will continue through most of the next week. 38 on Friday, sunny, mostly sunny Saturday, a high of 46, 42 on Sunday, and 40 for the day on Monday. Partly cloudy, highs only near 40 again on Tuesday, a little breezy, partly cloudy skies, though we are staying dry through most of the next week. High of 44 by next Wednesday with mainly sunny skies. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. Already hitting the Bahamas, Tropical Storm Nicole is now targeting Florida's Atlantic coast. The storm is expected to be a Category 1 hurricane by the time it hits landfall sometime after midnight tonight. The strike point is expected to be between Fort Lauderdale and Orlando, likely in Martin County, and that's where Jay Gray is tonight with the very latest on the situation there.
Gusting winds and growing waves, the early calling card for Nicole along Florida's east coast.
This incoming storm is a direct threat to both property